freaking hair out, bro. I'm not playing with you, man. Stop playing, bro.
Babe, why?
The freaking mean not coming out.
Why you so?
Why ain't that bottom foot put in my hair?
Huh?
Bro, take that camera, bro. Wash my hair, bro. Come on, wash my hair, bro.
What's up, BB gang? It's your girl Shy Fun, Shy Money in the building. Alright guys, it's payback time. I don't know if y'all seen that last prank that Mr. Javon Bennett did on me. Then y'all missing out because we just uploaded it. So I'm gonna need y'all to go watch it. Go watch it. If y'all need to stop this video and go watch it, you can stop it and go watch it and then come back to this one. So he did this prank on me that I do not like at all, and so I'm gonna get him back. This is just a light prank or whatever, but I feel like it's gonna have a big effect. I'm going to be doing a hair dye prank on Javon, right? So I went to Walmart and I picked up this hair dye. It's L'Oreal Paris Colorista hair makeup. It's called hair makeup, okay guys? And I got this one because it's only like it's like 1 day color, so it'll wash out. I wasn't gonna get like a permanent color and like leave it on his hair, but he don't know that. He don't know that it's not permanent. Okay, so I'm just gonna tell him, babe, hey, let me go wash your hair or whatever, and then while I'm washing it, I'm going to put this in his hair. Yeah. So guys, I'm about to get this prank started. Go ahead and like this video. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time we post a video. And yeah guys, let's get this prank started. Look at him, y'all. Lazy. What you watching? Young and Restless. I already knew it. I already knew it. Babe, come on, get up. I'm finna wash your hair.
I already washed my hair last night.
But you ain't wash it like I'm gonna wash it. Come on, you've been saying your hair is dry and nappy and dirty and stuff. Come on.
Wait, turn the light on.
Come on, babe. Come on, let me wash your hair.
Alright, wash my hair. Bro, can I wash my show?
No, you can wash it when I finish. Babe, come on. I already seen it last night. Anyway, I know what's gonna happen.
Babe, get your ass up out of the way.
Come on.
Okay, go in the kitchen. Go in the bathroom.
Okay, you better come. Come on. All right, BB gang, we are in the kitchen now. I'm about to wash babe's hair. And right now he's bringing the shampoo and stuff.
I don't know why you want to wash my hair for.
Because I just want to wash it.
Why you need to video with it? Why you need to video it?
Because why not make a video out of it?
Washing my hair?
Yes.
I don't know why you want to wash my hair for, bro. Okay, bro.
Let's wash your hair. Okay, then what products are we using?
I use these are the two things I always use. I look sleepy, bro. I don't know why you want me to wash my hair so early for the morning. After I washed my hair last night.
You didn't wash it good.
How you know that?
Because I know. Men never wash their hair good. Okay guys, we got to get straight to this video. Come on babe, so I can wash your hair. Alright.
What I gotta do?
Put the temperature water you want.
You said put temperature water I want, not what you want.
Okay, go.
You always trying to put the water hot.
No, not hot. I like my hands to be warm.
That's what I got my big one for. So what do?
Just put your hair in the water.
I don't know why I'm doing this shit for. You can't even see.
Conditioner.
How y'all do a video that they can't even see?
They can't see, babe. Okay, put your hand in the water, babe. Close your eyes.
Close my eyes, why?
Yes, close your eyes.
Why?
Oh, we gotta use a towel. Yeah.
You unorganized. All you want to do video watch my hair, you unorganized.
Babe, just go get the towel. Get on in there, big boy.
Hell no, it's hot.
Babe, I'm putting on cold water.
When I say stop, stop.
Boy, I know how to wash hair. Come on. You want to come with it? Look, feel it.
Damn.
Yeah.
That'd be cold, bro.
Yeah.
That'd be cold, bro.
Alright, put your hand in the water. Go over there. Shoot. Down over there. Take your hair out now. I'm about to put the shampoo. How it feel?
Like shampoo is in my hair?
Shut up. Like shampoo is in my hair?
No, sir.
Yes.
Guys, I don't know why I trying to video of this shit for, bro.
Because, babe.
You ain't washing my hair, yeah.
Yes, I am.
You supposed to be screaming.
Huh?
You supposed to be there.
One second, make sure I get no shampoo on there.
Look at you, trying to draw me, bro.
Let me get a cook. How they wash little kids' hair.
Huh?
How they wash kids' hair.
Oh, shit. Look at what you doing. I can't see. No, I can't see.
Huh?
I can't see.
Good. You don't need to see.
Babe, I can't see.
Babe, you don't need to see. Mind
The
you,
water's in my eye.
close your eyes, then. You can have them open.
Nigga, you didn't tell me to close my eye before you dump that shit on my face.
Okay, take it out. Put some more shampoo.
I can't see. Can you wipe my eyes?
Huh?
Can you wipe my eyes?
No, you good.
Huh?
You good.
Can you wipe my eyes?
Alright, shampoo. This up now so I can get it everywhere.
That's so cold.
What you mean?
That shit be cold, bro.
It's not cold, babe.
What does that smell?
What smell? Come on, let's go find it to the front.
What's that? What's that smell?
Nothing. What smell?
That's from my shampoo, bro. I know my shampoo smell like this.
I know my shampoo smell like this. What my shampoo does.
Alright, babe, I'm done.
You done what?
I'm done.
You done?
I'm done.
Wash my hair out.
It's done.
You just put shampoo in my hair. Wash my hair out.
Babe, it's done.
Babe, wash my hair. Just put
No,
shampoo
you
in my
gotta let
hair.
that sit. I didn't put shampoo, I put conditioner. I put conditioner, you're supposed to put shampoo that many times.
You supposed to wash my hair 2 times with shampoo.
Babe. No, because you say you washed it last night, so you don't really need a good cleansing. You just need like a little, just a light,
Nigga.
just a light one. Alright, come on, let's go.
Go where?
You gotta let this sit for a little minute.
Bro, I washed my hair last night. It don't need to sit.
Yes, you do.
Babe, I washed my hair last night. It don't need to sit.
Yes, you do.
How you gonna? I sit it last night. It don't need to sit.
Okay, I'm washing your hair, right? Come on, let's go. Let it sit.
Well, I'm good because you better wash my shit out.
Okay, well, you about to sit there then.
Okay.
Okay.
So where you going? Oh.
I'm about to go in the room. Peace.
Bring your ass back. So what? Babe, come on, bro. Where we going?
Come on.
Where we going?
We're going to the room. Let's sit for a little minute.
Why?
I'm taking the camera with me.
Come on, babe. Come on, man.
Huh? Babe, look at him say cheese.
Come on, bro. Wash my hair. Wash my hair. But hey, I know you're fucking playing me, bro. Man, what? What's this?
Gotcha, sucker.
Babe, come on.
What? Babe, you look cute.
What is this in my hair?
You look cute, boo.
Man, I don't even figure if I'm cute. Why is this in my hair, bro?
What you mean?
Why is this in my hair?
Babe, it's a conditioner.
What? This ain't no damn stop. This ain't no damn conditioner. What color is this?
Babe, it's a conditioner. Y'all look at him. Oh, man, Crush Monday.
Come on, bro. Wash my freaking hair last night. Why you gotta play, man?
What? Look at my hair.
Bro, I know my hair not finna look like that, bro. Who finna wash yourself?
Huh?
What's this? What's this in my hair?
It's a hair color. It's a hair dye. It's a permanent hair dye. But don't be so mad. I thought you would like that color. It looks.
I don't like no color period in my hair. Why you put hair color in my hair for? Why you got the camera recording me for?
But you look cute. And you want me to tell you something else?
What?
It takes like a month to come out.
Yeah, bro, come take this
What
shit
you
out,
mean?
bro.
I used.
Come take this shit out, bro. I'm not
Babe,
playing with you, babe. Come take it out.
I can't take it out.
Come take it.
I can't take it out. What is you doing?
Bro, wash my shit out, bro. My hair can't even fit in this damn shit. Wash my shit. Bro, look how much shit you put in my hair, bro.
I put the whole bottle.
Babe, wash my shit out, bro. Stop playing.
But it's not coming out.
Babe, wash my hair, bro.
It's
Stop
not
playing.
coming out.
Babe, bro, stop saying that. Wash my hair.
Babe, look at your curls. Your curls popping.
Babe, can you wash
We're
my
gonna
hair?
have some baby do some good hair.
Babe, can you wash my hair, please?
It's not coming out.
Can you stop recording and wash my freaking hair out, bro? I'm not playing with you, man. Stop playing, bro.
Babe,
The freaking me not coming out.
why you so
Why
mad?
ain't you read that bottom before you put it in my hair?
Huh?
Bro, take that camera, bro. Wash my hair, bro. Come on, wash my hair, bro.
Babe, it's not coming out.
I don't give a freak if it's not coming out. Mikey, come on then.
It not work. It not work. You remember that prank you did on me? I got you back. Y'all, my hand is so red. Like, the camera is washing it out, but my hand is, like, red.
Babe, wash this shit out, bro. Stop.
Babe, you gonna have some cute
Can you
highlights.
turn the camera off and wash my hair?
Babe, it's not coming out. It's not gonna come out. How many times I have to tell you, Javon? It's not gonna come out.
You about to
It's
be the
not.
first. You about to be first human being to take a hair dye out in 1 minute. Can you about to take this shit out?
And I work, and I work.
Babe, come on, stop playing, bro.
Y'all, look at this hair dye color. He is mad.
But, oh my god, bro.
It's okay, babe. You look cute with it.
Bro, you taking this shit for a joke.
It's in your nose?
Yes, bro.
It's in your nose?
Yes.
No, it's not.
Bro, what color?
Ooh, ooh.
Babe, come wash this out, bro.
Okay, let's see if I can wash it out. Come on, let's go to the kitchen. Come on before it stay on my hands. Come on.
Mess my damn white cloth up, bro.
You mess your white cloud up.
Shut your ass up.
I love you. I love you, boo.
Wash my shit out, bro.
Wash my shit out, bro.
But why you still recording for?
Cause
What's supposed to be a prank or something?
it's a prank.
How is this a prank if it's gonna permanently stay in my hair? That don't make no sense.
This is gonna stay. This do stay in your hair. I'm just gonna rinse out the stuff that's dripping off, but it's gonna stay in your hair. You know how I color my hair? It's going in your beard too, so.
Wash my shit out, bro.
Okay, babe.
Yo, wash my shit all the way out, bro.
It's not coming out.
Wash my shit all the way out, bro. Shut up. Stop saying that. Let's wash my shit out. Turn the hot water on, bro.
Babe, I'm putting cold water with it. You won't let me. Put your hands in it.
Bro, why you not washing my shit out? Stop, babe, stop playing with me,
Okay.
man.
You funny, bro. I swear.
Bro, put the water on underneath my hair and wash my shit out. Stop playing with me, bro.
I'm washing your hair. Calm down. Look, still. I should let you wash your own hair out. Big old baby.
Babe,
Shut up.
babe,
Leave me alone.
don't fucking tell me to
Shut
put
up.
more shit in my hair,
Shut
bro.
up. I'm washing it out. You want to wash it out? You want me to leave it in?
Why come my dumb ass question? Wash my shit out.
Shut up. You dumb ass. Y'all, he mad. He mad, man. He big mad.
You actually getting my eye, bro.
Close your eyes and where you got them open? Good.
Are you trying to draw me, nigga? What the fuck are you doing? Babe, come on.
Say hi.
Yeah, you trying to draw me, bro?
I'm trying to get it out. You're not letting me.
Yo, why my face off, bro? Why my eyes off? I can't see.
Lloyd.
Come on, man. Stop playing, bro. Oh, God, bro. Why you... No, why my face up? Hey, come on, you gonna draw me, bro? Sorry.
Everybody's about to draw you.
Why my eyes up? I can't see.
You're not supposed to have them open anyway.
So why still gave my freaking eyes? Why my freaking eye up? It's not cold, man. Hey, you still throwing more water on my trick, bro?
Babe, shut up so I can take it out. Okay, you know what? Wash your own hair. Wash it yourself, dude. Wash your own hair.
So wash my shit up, bro. You gonna wash my shit up, bro?
No.
Wash my shit out, bro.
Wash your hair yourself.
Wash my shit out, bro.
No, you not. Let my finger go. My nails.
Wash my shit out, bro.
Let me go.
Go.
You not let me wash it. It's gone, stupid. Go see your hair. Are you happy now? Are you happy now? You see how you just acted a big old fool on camera? I made your curls pop. I made your curls pop though. Alright y'all, as y'all can see by his reaction, I got him really good. I hope you all enjoyed this prank I did on him. Just something light, I'm gonna do it again one day. I'm gonna do it again another day. It's gonna be lime green though. I'm gonna do lime green while he's sleeping. Yeah, I'm gonna do lime green. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm about to end the video right here. Make sure y'all like this video. Also subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video. And yeah guys, we love y'all. BB Gang. We out.